Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. Please, I want you guys to check out this beautiful short natural haircut for fine hair. This is a style that will really add volume on your hair, and it's a style that is airy, and it's a style that will always soften those deep lines beautifully. It's a style that works well for all face shape. No matter the shape of your face, this hairstyle will really make you look so beautiful. Another thing about this hairstyle is that it's an ideal haircut for women that wants a fullness on their hair, and you can see how it really looks amazing. So every woman needs to try this cut because it's really refined, and it's a cut that will make you rock your day all good and happy. So if you've been toying with the idea of a shorter cut, this is the sign that you need this beautiful short natural haircut, because it can really take years off, not by hiding anything but by highlighting what matters. So you probably want something easy to care for but not boring. So go for this beautiful short natural haircut because it's cute, it's simple to wear, and it looks presentable without needing those hot tools or a bit styling button. So let me just let you guys to please have out the rest of the styles we have. Please watch this video to the end. You're not gonna regret watching the styles, because short natural hairstyles lives here in Winnie Styles, and we are here to bring the best of short natural haircuts to your doorstep. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe the first time bumping here on us. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.